What is a network audit and why should organizations conduct one? Well, from our perspective at Blu, a network audit is a thorough understanding of your existing network infrastructure. But an understanding not from your standpoint, but from our standpoint and what the configuration says within your environment. Normally, a network audit can be conducted for several reasons. The major reason we have seen over the years is that one, that customer, that client is having performance issues within the environment. And they have no idea where to start, and they have no idea what is causing the problem. So a network assessment or audit allows us to interrogate the devices within the environment, understand the environment, understand the devices, understand the configurations, and reproduce the documentation reflecting the existing installation. After doing that, we are able to actually go through the environment and work on addressing the issues. The second and very common issue is that many organizations have environments or technologies deployed, but they continue to change staff. And as these staff members change, you find that there's no documentation of what exists. So it doesn't help with the continuity of the organization. And this is a common issue in IT departments. There's no documentation. 3 members have left. You have new members on the team, but the operations of the IT department is severely hampered because these guys don't know what to do. Some of them have no idea what's in the environment. So the network audit and by extension the documentation helps with that.